Are you a champion? When you think champion, who do you think about? Could it be Cristiano Ronaldo? Do you think he had a coach? Of course he did. If you should think of another champion, who could that be? Arnold Schwarzenegger, for example. Do you think when he were at the peak, he had a coach? Of course he did. What about Dwayne Johnson? Is he a champion? We can agree on that. Yeah. Do you think Dwayne Johnson has a coach? Of course he has a coach. He has a coach in business. He has a coach in fitness. He has a coach in relationship. The question is not whether you need a coach or not. The question is, are you a champion?